Hi everyone, I am Yushan. I am a PhD student of the University of Melbourne. Today I will show the work of residential PV hosting capacity, voltage unbalance, and power rebalancing, an Australia case study. Most PV systems are single-phase installation. Therefore, the random distribution of PV systems may increase voltage unbalance. This, in turn, exacerbates voltage issue of a certain phase. Therefore, the capability of the feeder to host more PV systems may be limited. The aim of this work is to first investigate the effect of unbalance on PV hosting capacity. PV hosting capacity is the largest PV penetration level that does not have voltage issues. Then, this work proposed a practical rule-based power rebalancing algorithm to reduce unbalance by controlling phase switching devices. A PSD connects between the feeder and the customer. It can switch the phase of the customer. Rule-based power rebalancing algorithm aims to determine the best set of phase connection of customers that minimize power unbalance. General principles. First, move the customer with positive net demand on the phase by max, the phase with the maximum total net demand, to the phase by min. Second, move the customer with negative net demand on the phase by min to the phase by max. Case A and B are the examples to show the general principles. Here are the 3 steps to select specific appropriate customers for case A. The LV feeder for the case study has 29 single-phase customers. Simulation setting: first, randomly vary PV locations and size, and then select load profiles from the pool. The single-day time series simulation is to show how power rebalancing algorithm work. The monocolor-based assessment is to show the effect of unbalance on PV hosting capacity. The results for the monocolor-based assessment are shown using sensitivity diagrams. The left one is for the case without rebalancing. The right one is for the case with rebalancing. For the case without rebalancing, we can see that when the power unbalance decreases, the PV hosting capacity increases. For the case with rebalancing, the power unbalance decreases, and for most scenarios, the PV hosting capacity can reach up to 70%. Now come to the conclusions. Large unbalance can significantly limit PV hosting capacity. The PV hosting capacity increases as unbalance decreases. The proposed rebalancing algorithm can effectively mitigate unbalance. More PV systems can be accommodated without PV generation curtailment. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening.